Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare LangChain versus Pydantic. LangChain is a powerful framework designed for building applications with large language models, offering tools for chaining components and managing complex interactions. Pydantic, on the other hand, is a data validation library that uses Python type hints to ensure data integrity and structure. While distinct in their primary functions, they often complement each other beautifully in modern AI development workflows, especially when dealing with structured data. LangChain truly shines in orchestrating sophisticated large language model applications. It provides essential components like chains, agents, and memory, simplifying the development of complex AI systems. With support for integrating over 50 different models and services, it offers immense flexibility. This framework helps developers manage the flow of information and actions, making it easier to build intelligent and dynamic applications that interact with various data sources and tools. Pydantic is a cornerstone for robust data handling in Python. It excels at enforcing data types and validating incoming data at runtime, providing clear and helpful error messages when issues arise. This makes it invaluable for ensuring the integrity of data, whether it's from API requests, configuration files, or database interactions. Its ability to parse and serialize data reliably is a key reason for its widespread adoption in many modern Python projects. Deciding when to use LangChain or Pydantic, or both, depends on your project's needs. Choose LangChain for building the core logic of your large language model applications, especially when you need to manage complex sequences and external tools. Opt for Pydantic when your priority is strict data validation, parsing, and ensuring structured outputs. Combining them allows LangChain to leverage Pydantic for reliable data structuring, creating more robust and predictable AI solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.